We have approached the process using pilots as benchmarks. So we want to test how the renovation process is. Well, we want to understand how and to monitorize how the process is developed nowadays with current techniques, and we want to compare that against how the project could be developed using advanced and digitalized BIM tools. So that comparison could provide us the benefits or the improvements that are able to be achieved thanks to these new technologies. I think that Kurssal also it's a very expert company in the field of energy efficiency and facade renovation activities. So that's also a topic of strong interest in this project. So their expertise in that field also provides useful inputs to the overall process.
Usually the end user needs or the end user requirements, I mean the inhabitants requirements, it usually is not integrated in the process. So I mean the residents are not integrated in the decision-making process when we do a renovation project. So here these needs and requirements will be taken into consideration, so that will become into more satisfaction for them, more comfort, and more and more sustainability for the project.